Welcome to my channel. If you are finding it difficult to trade break of structure market strategy, in today's lesson I will explore the concept of break of structure from basic to advanced. If you are interested in this kind of video, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe for more video like this. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining a break of structure from basic to advanced. What do we know about a break of structure? A break of structure refers to significant change in the price action of a financial instrument. It's also occur when the price break through a key level of a support or resistance, like this. When a market break a support level like this, that is when we have a break of structure. So I'm not going to explain about this break of structure. Most of people know about break of structure, but when you get into a lower time frame, it gets complicated. So most people get confused about break of structure. So with this advanced explanation about the major and minor break of structure, you will know how to enter market like a smart trader. So once we have a break of structure right here, our eye is right there. So when the market break this structure, when a price break through a key level of support like this means the market is on a downtrend, which is bearish, on a bearish trend. So the market reversed back and went back down and break another break of structure. In this kind of basic break of structure, you can identify this on a higher time frame. This is our resistance level. So you can identify this kind of market on higher time frame. So if you identify this market on a higher time frame, then go to your lower time frame like 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. You will see something like this forming a multiple higher high and higher low. But once you identify your major, this is our major trend. This is what is called a major trend. Once you identify your major trend on a higher time frame, then after going to a lower time frame, this is our resistance level right here, and this market break is support level right here, which create our break of structure. So this is the last support level right here. So right here we are going to have something called order block right here. Which is going to reverse back the market, but we are not teaching order block in this video. So in my next video I will explain about order block, and you can enter a market with order block. So once the market reach this order block, but in a basic break of structure, what we learn is that the market is moving high and low, If you identify such things like the market break resistance right here and the market break resistance right here, so because the market is breaking resistance right here, so you enter a market right here on a buy market, you are going to end up losing that trade. Because this trend that is going up is a minor trend, because the market cannot just go up like this and then come back again. So the market have to consolidate and form a something called change of trend before the market move back to support level. So we have to understand that the market cannot just go up and go all the way down. So with this is our minor trend. It's not a major trend, minor trend. We should not forget that we are not the only traders. There are many traders using different strategy. They are using this minor trend to trap a lot of traders in the market. So but with our understanding of advanced break of structure, you will be able to not get into the market trap. You will be saved. So no strategy is 100% profitable, but with this using your higher time frame and your lower time frame, you will be getting a result 80% result 80% more than just following a minor trend, which is not a major one. It's a trap. A minor trend is a trap. So once we have identified our resistance level and support on higher time frame like this, we go to our lower time frame to check how the market is moving upward and also to take an opportunity. So do not fall into market trap. Use your higher time frame to know what is going to happen on a lower time frame, and make sure a break of structure can be a signal reversal of an existing trend like this. It can be a signal of an existing trend. We know right here that the market is bullish already. So how can we enter? By getting our order block right here. By getting our order block, the market will reverse and we are going to risk a few pips and to make maybe times 5 in the market. Break of structure is a signal reversal of an existing trend. If you find this video interested and useful, kindly like, subscribe for more tutorial like this. Happy trading.